Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on two phones with same number without WhatsApp web. Now on your second phone, all you need to do is go to Google Play Store and try to search right here the WhatsApp application and then install it to your phone. Now once you've done, tap on open. Now right here, you need to choose your language to get started, then tap on agree and continue. Now right here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then tap on the link to existing account. Now right here, as you can see, the QR code. Now go to your primary phone, then open your WhatsApp. Now here on chats option, tap on three dots at the top right corner and then tap on link device. Now right here, tap on OK and tap on link a device. Now you can now scan a QR code on your secondary phone like this. And finally, your secondary phone is linked to your primary phone. So you can now use your WhatsApp account using your two mobile phones. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.